Hello, once again, this is your brother teacher with some helpful advice to possibly remedy some of the ailments that we experience from day to day. And this is a good one. Are you having headaches? Are you having acute headaches? Maybe even chronic headaches, migraines? Are you having neck pains? Are you having pains at the base of your neck? And are you tense around the neck? Tension, neck tension. Maybe even some lower back pains. Look at this. I'm reading this book. What do you notice? Oh, here's another thing. I think I need to text someone. What do you notice? The position of my head. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something that's so basic. Could it possibly be that the answer to your problems with your neck is improper posture? Look at me now. I'm sitting up here. Your body has a natural alignment. It's one thing to be doing an exercise or engage in exercise for a short period of time. It is a totally different thing to put your body through undue stress, sometimes knowingly, sometimes unconsciously. When we are texting, for example, on our phone, what position are we in? We have our arms down past our shoulders and our head is cocked down. Did you not know at the base of your skull is your vertebrae and your nervous system, your spinal cord, in other words, and it goes all the way down your back? You're putting tension in or stress on your neck because you are improperly aligning your head by cocking it or cranking it down like this. No matter what you do, it could be texting, it could be reading, it could be just standing and looking down, it could be watching a television that's sitting at a low level and you're up high and your head is down, or watching a sporting event and you're standing up on second, third, fourth level and you're looking down at it. Whatever you are doing and or engaged in, as long as you have your head improperly positioned, you're going to set yourself up for a neck injury. Stress in the neck, tension around the neck and shoulders, because that's constriction. I'm here, head is down for long periods of time, even on a game system, Xbox, PlayStation. It doesn't matter. If you're reading any electronic device that requires you, not requires you, but causes you, I should say, to cock your head down, you're setting yourself up for headaches, sometimes even chronic or migraine in nature. So what's a man or woman to do, brother teacher? It's just do the opposite, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to require some conscious effort on your part. When you have your cell phone and you need to talk, lift that old heavy arm up and hold it up in front of you and text. You're going to feel a little tension in your arms because your arms are probably more comfortable being down below your shoulders because of the less stress on your biceps and your shoulders. But you will be developing those muscles in your arms if you just raise your arms up. You go here and text. And that should also be an indicator. Stop texting so much. Only text when you have to. Same thing is true with a book when you're reading. When you read, hold your book up in front of you and read. If you have to prop your arms on the table and hold it up, you can do that. Keep it almost at eye level when you're reading. You got it? Sit it on a table, on a stand. Invest in a stand or a pillow or something that you can stand your book on the table right in front of you from this position and read. It's going to take a little getting used to because it's not what you've been accustomed to, but it's going to be what's going to be beneficial to you. So save your neck Save yourself and relieve yourself from all of the headaches and all of the stress in your neck and upper body from improper head positioning. This is Brother Teacher. If you have any further questions concerning this subject or some other subject, let me know in the comment section below. As always, Yahweh love you, and I love you. So long.